Have you ever heard of Japan's 100 yen shops? Let's explore the allure of their glassware. Surprisingly, much of the glassware in 100 yen shops is made in Japan. My recommended 100 yen shop is Daiso. Let's look for made in Japan glassware. These items are highly regarded for their design, comfort, and quality. So, how can such high-quality glassware be sold for just 100 yen? Several factors contribute to this affordability, including mass production and efficient distribution. By prioritizing functionality and design while eliminating excess, costs are minimized. This strategy simplifies both price setting and inventory management. To foreign tourists visiting Japan, we recommend stopping by a 100 yen shop and experiencing this high-quality glassware firsthand. These items can serve as delightful souvenirs from Japan.